Today's transition tip for veterans: define your mission, define your purpose. Hi, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach. Leaving the military can lead to a loss of identity for some veterans. The sense of purpose, camaraderie that you've experienced in your military career may be challenging to replicate in the civilian world. Whether you served 44 years or 20 years, the military has become your identity, your purpose. Most veterans wait until the last minute to consider what they're going to do in their next career, and as a result, make bad decisions regarding their future careers. So today's transition tip is pause. Define your purpose. Define your next mission. Defining your purpose is not easy. I can help. You don't have to travel alone. Reach out. My contact information is at the end of this video. I look forward to hearing from you. This is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach.